Paternity is a case where the parents are not married. It's very straightforward. In Florida, there are two kinds of child cases in family law: paternity and divorce. If you're not married, your case is called a paternity case. In Florida, the law recently changed, and this is to the benefit of unmarried fathers. Previously, if a child was born, even if the father was on the birth certificate, the mother would have sole custodial rights, or as the statute said, was the natural parent. Recently, the statute changed, and now both parents, if you have, so long as the father has signed an acknowledgement of paternity or is on the birth certificate, are both natural parents. However, you still don't have a set parenting plan in place. It is vitally important that you get a court order enforceable parenting plan for your time with your children, regardless of whether you're the man or the woman in paternity cases. As an unmarried father, the deck used to be stacked against you. Unmarried fathers had absolutely no rights in the state of Florida. Yes, you could have legal custody, but not physical custody. What does that mean? It meant you had the right to pay child support, but not a right to actually see your child. That changed recently, and now unmarried fathers have the same rights as unmarried mothers. But let's be real. If you grab your kid and run off, the police are coming and Amber Alert's being issued. If paternity is not already established, how do you establish it? Step 1, you file a petition to establish paternity. Step 2, as part of that, you ask the court to order genetic testing. If you are genetically confirmed to be the biological father of that child, in most cases, the court will grant you legal paternity. The reason I say in most cases is if the mother is married and her husband is asserting or is acting as the child's father. That creates an additional complication, but either way, we can help. Parental alienation is when one parent alienates the love and affection of the other parent from the child. Alienation is horrible. The first thing I ask when trying to determine whether it's a case of parental alienation is, what was the child's relationship like before, and what is the child's relationship like now with extended family members? Parents can be jerks, but that doesn't mean grandma's a jerk, and grandma should still be involved in that kid's life. However, in alienation cases, not only is that parent excluded, but every single member of that side of the family is excluded as well. Alienation also talks about alignment, where the child feels that they have to align for everything with one parent and against everything for the other parent. Have you ever tried to buy your child a gift and they say you're trying to buy their love? Or then you tried to not buy a gift and then you were accused of not loving them? There is no win for an alienated parent. You can't win, but we can help you. Take action quickly before the children become too old. I know, because I'm an alienated parent myself. I'm here to help you go through what I went through so you can reestablish that loving relationship you had with your children. Call now or go online to tampadivorce.com, tampadivorce.com, tampadivorce.com.